Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. So I'm back with a new video on PayPal. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete or close your PayPal account on your device. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, you'll have to log in into your account. So for that, open up your web browser and then on the search box type in www.paypal.com and then enter your login credential in order to log in into your account. So once you're on the home page, you have to tap on the gear icon located in the top right corner of your screen. On the other interface, you'll be directed to the settings page. So over there, you need to tap on account that is located in the top left corner of your screen. So once you tap on account on the other interface, you have all of your information. So then scroll down right to the bottom and then on the bottom left corner, you have an option as close your account. So then you have to tap on it. So in order to verify, a code will be sent to your phone number or an SMS or an email. So then you have to enter it right over here and then tap on continue. So if the provided information is correct, once again you have a confirmation. So make sure to go through it, and if you're sure about closing your account, tap on close account, which is right at the bottom, and then you have successfully closed or deleted your account. So that is how you can close or delete your PayPal account on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.